Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic Rickettsia and Chlamydia. Chlamydia and Rickettsia are two groups of gram-negative bacteria. Both bacteria are obligate intercellular parasites. They must steal host ATP to live. Chlamydia cannot make any ATP. You can see here in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. General characteristics of Rickettsia. These are small obligate intercellular gram-negative better strain with gamma blue rays. They have cell wall bigger than virus but smaller than bacteria. They have DNA and RNA as a genetic material. They have an ATP transport system that allow them to toss host ATP. Arthropod reservoirs and vectors are used by them. Sensitive to antibiotics. Life cycle of Rickettsia, and you can see here in diagram. Pathogenic mechanism: bite or feces of arthropod, local lymph or micro blood vessels. First, bacteremia, endothelial cells, micro blood vessels in whole body. Fever, rash, headache, etc. Species that cause disease. You can see here the name of species as well as disease caused by them and reservoirs. They can live in human, rat, ticks. Diagnose and prevention. It can be diagnosed by microscopy. Serological test. Inactivated vaccine has protective effect. And some other therapies are used to diagnose and prevention purpose. Share our channel with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Chlamydia general characteristics. They are small obligate intracellular parasites. They contain DNA and RNA and ribosomes and make their own proteins. Nucleic acid unable to make their own proteins. They have special growth cells and replicate by binary fission. They possess a rigid cell wall similar to gram-negative bacteria. They are sensitive to antibiotics. You can see here the life cycle of chlamydial growth cycle. Cell receptor, phagocytosis process, and then the replication of genetic material and how it is divided and spread and cause infection to the other cells. Disease. It causes disease in genital tract infection, clinical syndromes, urogenital infection, infectant pneumonia, inflammation and follicle formation. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. Like our video, like our channel and share with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Prevention. Vaccines are of little value and dare not use. Treatment coupled with improved sanitation to prevent reinfection is the best way to control infection. You can see here the difference of chlamydia and rickettsia. Chlamydia is a group of gram-negative bacteria. They are obligate intercellular parasites that transmit from person to person, cannot produce ATP. Rickettsia is a group of gram-negative bacteria and obligate intracellular parasites that transmit by arthropod vectors, and they can produce some type of ATP and a little bit ATP production occur in this type. Similarities. They are small and they are obligate intracellular parasites. All contain DNA and RNA. They have susceptibility to various antibiotics. Cell wall structure is resemblance to those of gram-negative bacteria. They require exogenous cofactor from animal cells. Most grow readily in the yolk sac of eggs and in cell cultures. If you like our channel, and you should have to click or mark the bell icon, and thank you so much to visit our channel. Bundle of thanks. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.